What's up, people? Namaste, salam alaikum, sat sri akal, and welcome to my vlog. This is your boy Abhishek, and you can call me Abhi. We are going to go on a breakfast ride towards Sakleshpur today. That's 200 kilometers from Bangalore one way, and we're going to have a pretty amazing lineup of bikes today. I'm pretty sure you're going to love it. So I'll just gear up within the next 5 minutes and get back to you guys. It's 5:50 a.m. in the morning, and I've just geared up. So including my knee guards, my riding jacket, my riding shoes, it's an adventure shoes, and my helmet with a GoPro mounted on it. So our meeting point is Parle-G. That's the first exit toll that you get when you're getting out of Bangalore towards Tumkur. So my guys are waiting there, so let's get going. Let it warm up. We'll wait for a couple of minutes and then we are going to head towards the Parle-G toll gate where my people are going to be waiting, and 6:10 we roll from Bangalore for the ride. So this is the group I ride with. You can see some pretty amazing people. Guys, so here we start a ride. So we have around 11 bikes. Oh, beautiful exhaust of the Z800. I'm pretty sure you're loving the sound of all the bikes here. The screaming for more. So there seems to be some kind of accident that has happened on the Tumkur road. As you can see, a luggage vehicle has toppled cops and we had to slow down. my audio editor seems to be dropping off from the gluing that I had done. It doesn't seem to be fitting well, but let's see. I just hope it doesn't get disconnected. It's been hanging all its way, but I just hope it doesn't get disconnected. Fingers crossed. So here we are entering the Nelamangala Mangalore route. So this is like Makhan, you can say. Road with butter, you know, smooth as fuck. This road is actually meant for the bikers, you know, it's really safe. So let's fly by and catch up the other guys ahead. That's the godfather of all adventurers. Any guesses? The GSR 1250. Our next stop point is going to be, hello friends, chai pillar. Okay, it's a tea break. It's a chai calling. So we'll be going for tea. Chai के लिए टी ब्रेक. Hey.
Devesh went up.
He's gone ahead then. I thought he's fueling up.
No. That's not Devesh. That's Ram.
Okay.
All chai?
Yeah, all chai. So there's the Harley Glide that just passed. He flew by. This is the lineup. We've just reached Hotel Hosur. That's 220 kilometers away from Bangalore, and everyone's having their breakfast while I've just ordered and I got out to just give you a peek into our bikes that are lined up. So it's the BMW GS, the Ducati, the Yamaha, Honda African Twin, Harley, Benelli, Harley, and then a Harley. So we had a very smooth ride, apart from some of the patches. So and while on the way to this place, my GoPro just went off, so I couldn't record much. You know, the GoPro 8, I don't have the media mount, and that's why the battery just slipped out. So let's continue on our way back. I'll just quickly have some breakfast and get back to you guys. So you can see the struggle, you know, getting the GS on center stand. It's not really a struggle, but they're just making it to look like a struggle. And finally it's done. So Mr. Devish, how was your experience getting it on 2 stands?
Not worth the effort. You know, the experience was definitely not worth the effort. Big letdown.
See, these are experienced riders' comments. Think before you buy this, but I would suggest you buy this.
No, we don't suggest you buy this.
Because I've already bought something else.
You know, I'm only 50 kg. Can I suggest?
Yes.
One of the best bikes.
Yes.
Unfortunately, they don't sell it.
Okay.
The KTM Super Duke, 1290.
Guys,
Uda
expert
dega.
advice.
And in Bangalore, if you want the ultimate midweight tourer, V85 TT from Moto Guzzi.
Expert advice.
Yeah.
Please take it. So this is the wonderful group that I rode with today, and we'll be heading back to Bangalore in another couple of minutes. I'll catch you on the way back. You know, I'm really sorry I couldn't record on the way to this place because of some battery issue with my GoPro. So guys, it's 10:37 AM and we're heading back towards Bangalore. So everyone's geared up, and we just had some amazing breakfast at the Hosur. It's around Sakleshpur, and we are going to head back. It's another 250 odd kilometers. So let's see how it goes. I hope you enjoy the beautiful scenery here. I just got my GoPro charged at a shop there close by. The ride so far has been very pleasant with this amazing weather. As you all can see, it's cloudy, but with God's grace it didn't shower upon us, so we are riding dry and safe. So that's the Glide, wonderful bike. It's a beast, you can say. You add on 2 more wheels and then it becomes a car. So the owner of this Glide, the one riding it, was the exact person who was just commenting on the GS back then. Don't take it serious, guys, you're just joking. But his advice, expert advice on the types of bikes you should be going for, you need to consider, take that into consideration. He's a pretty experienced rider. All of these are actually. They've done Northeast and North as well. They've covered it on their Harleys. So I won't bore you much with my speech. Just enjoy the ride. Beautiful view. I'm just standing so that I can avoid the impact of these potholes on the road. You know, they're pathetic and it gives you a back pain. You know what I mean by the actual back. So we are going to fuel up somewhere on the way back, because you know we have fuel tanks that would last around 350 odd kilometers, but you know we are doing a 400 odd kilometer ride, so we need to fuel up somewhere here. So let's see where these guys plan to stop for refueling. See, these are the best bikes for such roads. They can just cruise past all these potholes, not at all a problem. They won't feel any pain. The bike takes it all for them. The suspension, I mean. So maybe sometime next year get into adventure segment. So I'm covering the areas that I couldn't cover on the way to this place. So anyways, enjoy the view on the way back. It's the same route we're taking. Need to be extremely careful on this road because it's a single lane road, and this road is bound to have heavy traffic. As you can see, trucks, you know, commuting from Bangalore to Mangalore. This is a Mangalore route. The quality of the fuel is a concern, but when everyone's fueling up, I think even I should. And we are ready to go. You know what's the most tiring part of this journey out and back to Bangalore? It's nothing but the Bangalore traffic. Hey guys, it's around 5:15 in the evening. We got back after the ride at around 2 p.m. Reached home, had lunch, had some barley water, and was just relaxing, you know. It was a long ride for a day, and that's about it. Until next time, this is signing off, your boy Abhi. Remember, you only live once, so live it the way you want. And peace out. Stay tuned, and please to like, share and subscribe if you like this ride. I'll be coming up with many more such rides on a monthly basis or a weekly basis, however it goes.